In this tutorial, we're going to cover membership in Python. So the basics to membership are in and not in, and what these do is they check for the presence of an element, and they can save time when writing loops. So we're going to start off with nums and names, and what we can do first is 3 in nums. We can run that, and we can see it's true, as 3 is in nums. If we change this out to something like 2, that'll return us false. Now we can do the same with the list of strings. We can start off with Bob in names, and we can run that. And we could even do Bob not in names, and we can run that as well, and that'll return us false, as Bob is in names. We can combine this with the AND operators. We could do Bill and quote, let's do Kathy, and we could do not in names. This will test if Bill and Kathy are in this list of names, and we can see that's true, as Kathy is not in the names, but Bill is. Now, some practical application of this can be done like this, where we can do numbers equals range 1 to 21, and we can now come down here and we could do n square for n in numbers if n mod 2 equals 0. We could run this, and you can see this is only going to return us the even squares within the range 1 to 20. If we want the odd squares within this, we can just change this to 1, as this is checking for a remainder when divided by 2, and you can see this is going to return us all of the odd squares. Now, this is some basic usage of membership in Python, and I hope that helps.